In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up sales tax in your Shopify store. This is a crucial step in managing your e-commerce business effectively, ensuring compliance and optimizing your checkout process. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to navigate Shopify's tax settings and adjust them to suit your store's needs. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. First, head to the home page of your Shopify store. Once you're on that page, you'll want to navigate to the Settings option. This can typically be found at the bottom of the side menu. Clicking on Settings will bring you to a new page where we can start configuring your tax settings. The next thing to do is click on Taxes and Duties. This section is your hub for managing how taxes are calculated in your store. It's important to familiarize yourself with this area, as even minor adjustments can have a significant impact on your sales process. Once you're in the Taxes and Duties section, click on Tax Service. Here, Shopify allows you to enable tax calculation services, which can automatically compute the required taxes based on your customer's location. This feature is particularly helpful if you sell your products internationally or deal with multiple tax jurisdictions. Next, proceed to click on Tax Regions. This is where you can specify different tax rates for various regions. Customizing tax rates by location is essential if you have customers in different states or countries, and it ensures that you're charging the correct amount. Now let's move to Duties and Import Taxes. This section manages duties and taxes for international shipments. If you're shipping products over international borders, enabling these features can help alleviate some of the logistical burdens associated with overseas shipping and ensure that your customers receive their shipments without unexpected additional charges. Following that, click on Global Settings. Here you can make overarching changes that affect your entire store. Consider these settings if you have a broad reach or diverse customer base. Taking some time here can lead to greater consistency in how taxes are applied, no matter where your customers are shopping from. Then, you'll want to go over to your product listings by clicking on Products. Once there, select an individual product like Example Shirt 2. This allows you to adjust tax settings for specific items, giving you even more control over how taxes are applied on your store. Finally, ensure that the Charge Tax on this product box is checked for items where sales tax needs to be applied. This final step is crucial for ensuring that you're compliant with tax regulations and includes taxes in your financials. With these steps, you've now set up sales tax in your Shopify store correctly. Whether you're selling locally, nationally, or globally, these settings will help streamline your processes and keep your business running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.